For millions across Africa, remittances from Europe are more than just financial transactions. They are a vital lifeline. These funds support families, pay for children's education, and help small businesses grow and survive in challenging environments. Every dollar sent home can mean the difference between opportunity and hardship, between hope and uncertainty. Yet, despite their importance, sending money across borders remains slow, costly, and inefficient. Outdated systems and bureaucratic hurdles make the process frustrating for both senders and receivers, often leaving families waiting anxiously for funds that are urgently needed. The traditional correspondent banking network, with its long chain of intermediaries, adds layers of fees and delays at every step. Each institution in the chain takes a cut, making the process more expensive and less transparent. Each transfer can cost up to 8% in fees and take as long as 2 weeks to arrive. That's a significant loss of both time and money for those who can least afford it. For someone sending $200, that's $16 lost. Money that could have bought food, paid for school supplies, or covered medical expenses. Every dollar lost to fees is a missed opportunity for families striving to build a better future. Small businesses, the backbone of many African economies, suffer the most. They face uncertainty and cash flow problems as they wait for payments to clear, making it harder to plan, invest, and grow. In a world where we can message anyone globally in seconds, it's striking that moving money remains stuck in the past, hampered by inefficiency and high costs. This outdated system penalizes emerging economies, reinforcing global divides and making it even harder for people in developing regions to access the resources they need. The urgent need is clear. A faster, fairer, and more transparent way to move money across borders is essential for progress and equality. The current infrastructure acts as a hidden tax on ambition and growth, stifling innovation and limiting opportunities for millions. It's time for a new solution, one that bridges the gap between technology and financial inclusion, empowering people on both sides of the remittance corridor. The world needs a remittance system that works for everyone, not just the privileged few. A system that is accessible, affordable, and reliable for all. Enter a new era of cross-border payments, one that promises to unlock opportunity, foster inclusion, and connect families and businesses like never before. In December 2025, GSX and Ubuntu Tribe launched a bold initiative to transform Africa-EU remittances. This partnership marks a significant milestone in the journey toward financial inclusion and innovation, bringing together expertise from both continents to address long-standing challenges in cross-border payments.
By harnessing blockchain, they're building a new financial highway, one paved with tokenized gold. This digital infrastructure is designed to be fast, secure, and accessible, opening up new possibilities for millions who rely on remittances to support families and communities.
GSX provides a secure, compliant blockchain for high-value transactions with built-in KYC and AML at the protocol level. This ensures every transaction is not only fast, but also meets the highest standards of global financial security and regulatory compliance.
Ubuntu Tribe brings ethically sourced LBMA standard gold, tokenized as gift, making gold accessible and transferable in the digital age. This approach empowers individuals to own and transfer real value, backed by physical gold, with just a few taps on their smartphones.
This partnership bypasses the old banking system, enabling direct, instant value transfer between Africa and Europe. No more waiting days for funds to clear or paying excessive fees. Now, families and businesses can move money seamlessly and affordably.
Over $5 billion in gold will serve as the settlement asset, eliminating reliance on the US dollar and costly intermediaries. This gold-backed system brings stability and trust, ensuring that value is preserved and protected for all participants.
GSX's infrastructure and Ubuntu Tribe's gold combine to offer a revolutionary, transparent, and equitable solution. Together, they are setting a new standard for international finance, where transparency and fairness are at the core.
It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of cross-border finance. This is about creating a system that truly serves people, making global money movement as easy as sending a text.
The future of remittances is being built today, driven by innovation, collaboration, and a shared vision for a more connected world. With gold at its core, this new system promises security, reliability, and real value for everyone involved. This is the dawn of a new financial era, one where opportunity and prosperity can flow freely across borders. The innovation lies in turning physical gold into digital tokens, liquid, divisible, and instantly transferable.
Each gift token represents real, audited gold stored in secure vaults, ensuring intrinsic value. Tokenized gold overcomes the limits of physical gold. It's easy to divide, send, and use for both large and small payments. Users convert local currency into gift tokens or GSX's stablecoin, then transfer them globally in seconds.
The process is simple. No more labyrinth of banks, no more days of waiting. Recipients convert tokens back to local currency via regulated partners, all on a single unified ledger.
Settlement is near instant, with full transparency and minimal fees.
This model bypasses SWIFT, slashing costs and delays. The result? A streamlined peer-to-peer system for global payments. Tokenized gold is the bridge between stability and speed. Meet Imani, a Kenyan artisan exporting jewelry to Paris. Under the old system, she waited weeks for payment and lost 8% to fees.
Now, the Parisian buyer converts euros to gift tokens and sends them instantly to Imani's wallet. The fee is a fraction of traditional costs, and the process takes minutes, not weeks. Imani receives the tokens with full transparency and no uncertainty. She can hold them as gold or convert instantly to Kenyan shillings. Funds arrive in her bank account, ready for business needs.
The entire payment journey is transformed, fast, secure, and affordable. Imani's business thrives, free from the old system's friction. This is the real-world impact of digital gold. The future of African entrepreneurship is brighter than ever.
This is a new era of financial empowerment. The gold corridor is more than a payment rail. It's a shield against instability. People gain control over their money, free from inflation and devaluation. The system isn't just faster, it's safer and more stable. Gold-backed tokens hedge against currency volatility, protecting savings and purchasing power. Every transaction is traceable on the blockchain, building trust and fighting financial crime. These savings fuel education, healthcare, and investment. Transaction fees drop from 8% to less than 1%, keeping billions in the hands of Africans. For families, it means emergency funds arrive instantly. For businesses, it unlocks cash flow and growth. The gold-backed corridor slashes costs and settlement times. Money moves in minutes, not weeks.
Transforming Africa's financial infrastructure requires a careful, phased approach.
The project began with a 12-month pilot, focusing on gold traceability and efficient cross-border payments.
Over 20 banks, including Uganda Post Bank, are testing the system in sandbox environments.
Early phases target select corridors, gathering data and proving security and compliance.
Next comes broader rollout, programmable gold tokens, deeper liquidity, and smart contract automation.
Businesses can automate payments, unlocking new financial services.
The long-term vision is integration with central banks and government systems.
GSX's compliance-first design makes it ideal for hosting CBDCs and large-value payments.
Success means tokenized gold becomes a mainstream standard for global value transfer. Disruption creates winners and losers.
End users, families, and SMEs are the biggest winners, keeping more of their money and gaining faster access.
Gold becomes a dynamic digital asset, spurring innovation in savings and lending.
G6 and compliant infrastructure providers gain as demand for secure blockchain solutions grows.
Traditional remittance giants and bank FX desks face shrinking margins as their old models become obsolete.
The smartest legacy players will adapt, bringing their networks on-chain to offer better services.
They can evolve from gatekeepers to service providers in a faster, cheaper system.
The real loser? Financial friction, the hidden costs and delays that have held back global commerce. The future belongs to those who embrace change. The biggest hurdles are regulation and adoption.
Finance is heavily regulated to protect consumers and prevent crime.
GSX built compliance into its core, with KYC and AML at the protocol level.
Working with regulators and banks in sandboxes, GSX aims to prove transparency and security.
Adoption requires trust and simplicity. Users need easy on-ramps and off-ramps.
Partnerships with banks like Uganda Post Bank help bridge the digital and physical worlds.
Education and clear benefits will drive uptake. Early success stories are key.
As more people experience the savings and speed, word of mouth will fuel growth. The true test real remittance volumes flowing through the corridor. If proven in practice, the system can trigger a network effect, making it more valuable for everyone. The path to mass adoption is clear. Demonstrate value, build trust, and scale. If GSX and Ubuntu tribes succeed, the impact will reach far beyond Africa-EU remittances. Their innovation could spark a global movement, inspiring other regions to rethink how value is transferred and stored across borders.
African nations could integrate tokenized gold into national payment systems, slashing remittance costs and empowering small businesses. Everyday transactions, from buying groceries to paying school fees, could become faster, safer, and more affordable for millions.
Billions in value would shift from intermediaries to the real economy, setting a global blueprint for modern payments. This could help local entrepreneurs thrive, create jobs, and foster economic independence in communities that need it most.
Digital assets, backed by real gold and managed on a compliant network, could outpace traditional fiat systems in speed and stability. This new infrastructure would offer transparency and trust, reducing the risks of currency volatility and inflation.
This model democratizes access to gold, turning it into a practical tool for everyday commerce. For the first time, ordinary people could use gold as easily as cash, making wealth preservation accessible to all.
It challenges the US dollar's dominance, offering a neutral, asset-backed alternative. This could reshape international trade, giving countries more choice and flexibility in how they manage their economies.
The shift is from trusted intermediaries to verifiable truth on a shared ledger. Blockchain technology ensures every transaction is secure, transparent, and easily auditable by anyone. The Golden Corridor could unlock new economic potential, bridging developed and developing worlds. It paves the way for deeper collaboration, investment, and shared prosperity. This is more than a payment system. It's a new paradigm for global finance. It reimagines how we connect, trade, and build wealth in a digital age. Value will flow as freely as information, connecting and empowering people everywhere. The future of money is borderless, inclusive, and built on trust.